રેલવેની પૂછપરછ. હવે આપણે જોઈશું રેલવે પ્રવાસ સંબંધિત પૂછપરછ. રાજ રેલગાડીઓની પૂછપરછ કરી રહ્યો છે.
Excuse me, what are the trains for Kolhapur?
There are 3 trains: Mahalakshmi Express, Sahyadri Express and Koyna Express.
All these trains are from Dadar?
No, Mahalakshmi Express is from Dadar and other trains are from CST.
At what time does the Mahalakshmi Express start from Dadar?
8 p.m.
Is there first class AC for this train?
No, it has only second class AC.
And at what time does it reach Miraj station?
Morning 5.
Is there a connecting train to Belgaum?
Yes, you will get your connected train from Miraj.
Do I have to book a seat separately?
No, you can buy direct ticket to Belgaum.
At what time will it reach Belgaum?
12 noon, sir.
Thank you. Where is the emergency reservation counter?
It's window number 12.
Will I get a reservation for today?
Try your luck. The train is always full. I'll suggest you should accept even if you get RAC.
Will it get confirmed on the train?
Mostly it gets confirmed, sir.
Thank you very much.
You're most welcome.
આરોગ્ય વિશે વાતચીત. ચાલો આજે આપણે આપણા મિત્રોની સાથે પોતાના સ્વાસ્થ્ય માટે વાર્તાલાપ કરીશું. મોના અને નેહા સારી મૈત્રીઓ છે. તે બંને આરોગ્ય અને કસરત વિશે વાતચીત કરે છે.
Hey, hi Neha. Hi Mona. Look at you, so slim and trim. Thank you. My God, such a change since the last time. Yeah, I think we met after 3 months. Yeah, what's the magic? No magic, dear. I joined the yoga center 2 months back. So health conscious, huh? I think we all must be. You're right. Nowadays, we live such a stressful life. We must take care of ourselves. Not only our body, we must all take care of our mind too. And there is nothing better than yoga for this. You're right. I joined gym a month ago and now I'm bored. You don't need to go to the gym to do yoga. I went to a yoga center 2 months back and I did yoga over there. And now I practice yoga regularly at home. You've done the right thing. In gym, they gossip more than they exercise. I will take you to the yoga center if you wish. Oh, that'll be great. So, when are you willing to spend time on me? Tomorrow morning? Okay. What time? 5:30 a.m. That's fine. I'll come to your place to pick you up in the morning. I'll get my car. Okay. I'll wait for you. But don't make me wait for long. Of course not. I'll be on time. Bye. Bye. See you tomorrow.
ખેળ વિષયક વાતચીત. આવો જોઈએ હજી એક વાતચીત. રાજ અને નેહા મિત્ર છે. તે બંને રમત વિશે વાતચીત કરે છે.
Hi Neha.
Hey, hi Raj.
I got the VIP passes for tomorrow's 2020 cricket match. Would you like to join me?
India's match.
Yeah, it's against Australia.
I don't like the 2020 game. It's so fast and the players don't even get a chance to show their real talent.
But it's exciting and it just finishes in 3 hours.
So you prefer the game to a movie?
Not like that. I love cricket.
Me too, but I like test matches more.
Come on. 5 days of game with no result. It's just a waste of time.
I don't watch full day. I just watch the highlights.
Who is your favorite cricketer?
Of course, Sachin. I just love to watch his batting.
I like Brian Lara Moore. The flow of runs from his bat is an experience to watch.
I only watch the game in which India is involved.
I make no injustice to any country. I'm on the side of the game, not any specific country. Anyways, being an Indian, I always want India to win.
But why go to the stadium? We can watch the match on TV.
No way. There is minimum cricket and maximum advertisements on TV. Have you ever watched the cricket match in a stadium?
No, not yet.
Then come with me tomorrow. I'm sure you will enjoy it.
Hey, but tomorrow Asia Cup hockey final is there. And India has entered unbeaten into the finals.
Do you watch hockey matches?
Of course, yes. It is our national game.
I like it too, but cricket is my first love.
So you go and enjoy yourself tomorrow and I'll watch the hockey match. And we'll watch the highlights together.
As you wish. Bye. I have my classes to attend. I'll see you later. Bye.
Bye.
કેઝ્યુઅલ પાર્ટી ટોક અથવા આવો જોઈએ હજી એક વાર્તાલાપ. રાજ અને કરણ અજાણ્યા છે. બંને એક સંમેલનમાં એકબીજાને મળ્યા. બંને અંદરો અંદર વાતચીત કરે છે.
Hi, I'm Raj.
Hi, I'm Karan. Nice to meet you. You are from?
I'm from Mumbai. How about you?
I'm from Delhi itself. So, nice party, huh?
Yeah. After every conference, such parties arranged by the organizers.
That's nice. You know, during the seminars, you hardly get to know each other. And at such parties, you make new business friends.
True, very true. So, what's your business?
I'm into garment export. You?
I represent some prestigious brands in India.
That's nice. Do you attend these seminars every year?
Mostly. It's very essential in our business.
So, how long are you in Delhi?
I'll be leaving by tomorrow night.
How about lunch?
Oh, no such formalities, please.
Come on, it's my pleasure. You are in our Delhi. And next time when I come to Mumbai, I'll force you to treat me.
Of course.
So it's done then. I will pick you up tomorrow at 11 a.m. I'll call you from the lobby, okay? What's your room number?
It's 1250. I'll wait for your call. Thank you.
Definitely. You know what? I need to go. I'm getting a bit late. My wife's waiting for me.
Okay. Nice
Okay?
meeting you.
Nice meeting you too, man.
Bye.
Take
Good
care.
night. Good night.